Hello guys, today we are going to be doing the top 5 3D printed gadgets you can make at home. First we have this little coin with a slit in the middle of it. It's not the full thing, it's supposed to be a bank, like a little bank holder, but you can't do it without the can, which is right over here. You have to first cut out the can so that you could pop it in. And if you have any tape, you can maybe grab some tape, place it in, like this, It doesn't stick well, but you can maybe even put some glue on if you want. You could pop in your coins and keep it in there. It's really simple, so you don't waste your money on a bank. You can just quickly print one, grab a bunch of cans, right? Place them all in here and you can just save up your coins. I think this is a really cool little thing. I think it could be really helpful if you're just trying to save up for a video game, like a bike or anything really. Next we have this little USB holder. Here, I'm gonna go and grab some USBs to show you how it works. See, you can put your USBs in here. You can put it on your desk for a little gadget, I guess. It's really cool actually. If maybe you have a holder with your USB, maybe you can put it in the middle, or you can just place it in the side. Very helpful little thing if you have a lot of USBs. This is one of the more unique gadgets I've ever seen. It's very helpful because I have a lot of these USBs. I keep losing my USBs.
Next we have this other 3D printed item. First of all, you need a 3D printer to print these things, first of all. And also there's this line that kind of shifted right at the end of the print, which is kind of sad, but it's still functional, it all works. The main part of this 3D printed item is where you put this on the bed. You can just put things in it, like your cell phone probably, or other stuff. You could put maybe even this thing, maybe even a pencil in here. But it's I think it's helpful, really. You can just kind of put stuff in, take it away the next time you use it. But I like this little thing. It's pretty helpful, actually. It has a lot of space, here. Let me see if I can show you somehow. But there's a lot of space in there. You can definitely put some things. It does work good for a phone holder. I might just use it just for a phone holder, but I mainly just like it for holding the phone mainly. But that's what I like about it. But you can always make these bigger or smaller and maybe hook them on something different other than a bed. I never ever seen people sell this in stores or anything, but it's just really helpful. For me, it's a win-win. I would totally use my 3D printer to make something like this. I like this. You can also print many to have them in a row to have just a big section also, and I really like it. But it has a lot of space actually. I don't know why would you do this, but you could flip it.
Alright, now we have a key holder. This product is very helpful if you have your keys laying around, you can't find them. When it was printed, it had 3 hooks. When we were taking it out of the raft, 2 of them broke off and the middle one only stayed. I think that's the only problem I see here. It's very fragile because of that. This key holder, you just screw it into your wall and use it when you place your keys on it. To be honest, I printed this a tiny bit small. I'm probably never gonna use it, but if you're looking to use a key holder, it's very helpful. Print it a little bit bigger so then these little hooks won't fall off. It saves you a couple of dollars, $2 or $3 from buying an actual key holder from the store. So if you have a 3D printer, just print it instead of buying it from the store. Well, this gadget is very helpful. I'm probably never gonna use this. Not I have that many keys laying around because I don't have that many keys. It'd be very helpful if you have a lot of keys and you need to make this product to use it. And yeah.
Next we have is a toothpaste squeezer. It says right here, you see, and again it's 3D printed on a 3D printer. But what the general idea is, technically you just take some toothpaste, and if there's a little bit left but you can't really squeeze it all out to the end, you could just use this. Technically what you have to do is just gotta get it through, and then when you get that left, you can just push it out the other end, and then you have that little bit left in here, but then the empty is over here. I mean, I would totally use this. a lot. You could buy this, but I think it would be better to 3D print this because it would be probably cheaper, but you'll need a 3D printer. I'm not really good at this, am I? I'm not really good at this, am I? I'm not really good at this, am I? I'm blanked out, I don't know what to say. I would definitely use this toothpaste squeezer. I would probably just gonna leave it on this toothpaste so I can use it later. And this toothpaste squeezer cannot only be used for just toothpaste. I mean, you can use it in like many other ways. Like, you could use it, like, I don't know, maybe even a bag of chips. I mean, why the heck not? Yeah, you can also scale this bigger just to get the right size on other things. It doesn't have to be toothpaste. I guess you could do what it says what it's made for too. But honestly, I like this thing. I would definitely use this just regularly. This 3D printed item did get to print really quickly, actually, for how, I mean, it did print for, I'm pretty sure it was 15 minutes, but it was made the print go slower just so it could come out more fine. But over and all, I love this print. It's pretty nice. I like it a lot. I would use it, definitely. So overall, I would take this one as my favorite. So I'm gonna move that aside. Same with this over here. I love this. It's pretty unique. This one I also like, but it's really structurally built. I love this thing, so I'm gonna keep it again. But these two, well, they're kind of, I don't know. We don't really like these, but we'll kind of bring it just to show it to the video how they can be useful. But since this is Will It Break, we're gonna find a creative way to destruct these. For the heck of it, I'm just gonna break this hook off because like I just want to get rid of it. So, oh wow, that was easy. Okay, there goes the other part. Dang, look at that. It looks like a legit key now. You can actually open something with this, maybe. I doubt that. Okay, I don't know what to say now.
For the first destruction test, we are going to place the two 3D printing gadgets we don't need behind the car so then we can drive over it. So obviously that didn't work, so now we're just gonna go try something else. Now, the hammer test. Hey.
Oh.
But that doesn't seem to work, but looks like the key holder kind of cracked a little bit over here, you see this?
Now, let's drop a sledgehammer. Oh, dang. How did it survive? For the last tests, we are going to just burn them. The 3D printed parts are probably not going to make it now. They are melting, but they are surviving. Mainly the key holder. It's dripping fire. The wind is picking up. Just stick it to. Okay, the fun one. Okay, well, the lighter did not really burn it, but we're just gonna place some gasoline and make this our last attempt to burn them. I might as well throw the can in the mix. Oh. Let's burn the paper also. Huh. Look at that.
Looks like it's gonna completely destroy the two gadgets.
Yeah.
Alright.
They're technically melted now at this point.
Okay, no.
That's cool. Whoa, look up. Why does it burn?
Freezing
Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, that's good.